Socket.io is an open source Node.js library that you can use to install Node.js servers to power real-time web technologies. The similarities of philosophy between Socket.io and PubNub are both real-time connectivity and data communication over things like WebSockets and TCP sockets. So you can do data push things in real time. So sort of facilitating real-time web and making things seem seamless, and it's kind of like adding a bit of magic. So I can connect two clients and allow them to chat or speak over the voice, or send mouse coordinate movements, geolat long, things like that. They're very different, of course, because one's a service and the other is off-the-shelf software that you have to operationalize and orchestrate yourself. To get started with both, Socket.io and PubNub are fairly easy. With PubNub, it's automatic. You just take an SDK off and plug it into your browser. With Socket.io, you have to do it through two steps. You spin up a Node.js server, npm install Socket.io, and then take the clients and connect them to each other. And then you have to understand how the server works. So there's a little bit of education there. And then you have to understand where the two pieces meet. How to separate users in a multi-tenant space requires a little bit more forethought. So when you're connecting two clients, you need sort of that middle broker to remember information until the other client, which is the recipient, collects the information. And Socket.io doesn't provide you that out of the box, so you're going to have to build some orchestration. So it requires another layer. So now you've got three layers: load balancing, Node.js, and then a resiliency layer, AMQP or Redis, something like that. With PubNub, it's already built for scale and it's already been orchestrated across 14 data centers, so it allows you to do the same thing in about the same amount of time, but then you don't have to worry about going into a production mode. PubNub's already available for you. I really like these open source technologies. So off-the-shelf SignalR and Socket.io really help extend real-time web technologies across all the developers. And they provide, the Microsoft realm, which is very specific developer mindset with SignalR, and Node.js with Socket.io is a Unix type environment. So you've got the two best of both worlds.